everybody, Caitlyn Shea MUA here. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Oh, and Dobby's also here. You gonna say hi to the camera? Finally? You've been very camera shy. No. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, it is going to be a Target dollar spot haul and a Target clearance / red tag haul. Yes, it is. I already filmed the dollar spot section, so I literally just came back from Target and found some pretty good deals. I just wanted to show them with you, and they kind of have to do with my birthday that's coming up. So let's jump into it. So the first thing that's not from the dollar section, I got a new pair of fake nails. They're just by Kiss. They're just French. You know, birthday's coming up, might as well be classy. Alright, now into the dollar section stuff. So, one of the things I got was this, if I can get it all situated, this infinity scarf, which I thought was so pretty for like the spring and like Valentine's Day. It's like a peachy pink, sort of picking up on camera. I will open it up. It's called Infinity Scarf Light Pink. It has tassels on it. Can you see the tassels? They're all different colors. This was $3. So I'm going to open it up and put it on for the rest of the video. Because you know what? I can. Oh, it's so cute. It's really cute. You might see this like in a Valentine's Day video coming up. So I got this little pattern. It's a washcloth and a oven mitt, does it say that? Pot holder. Because I've been obsessed with this print lately. My mom got me this. I'm thinking of, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Take this out. Oh, and this was $3. So if you have like a small apartment and you need stuff like this, go to Target. Look how cute that is. And this could be like for spring and like summer and all that. So you never know when you what you find there. So I'm going to open it and show you. I'm going to give my mom the pot holder because I don't need a pot holder in my room. So this will be my mom's. But I usually have something on my vanity to like cover up my vanity. So I'm going to put this over like the tabletop of my vanity so it doesn't get like messy and stuff. So I thought that was really cute. Next thing kind of goes with that is this love you sign. I kind of want to keep it for Valentine's Day and just for just year round maybe. Again, it has the same print as that and the candle and everything, and this was $3. Cute little home decor that you don't like. Would you ever think this was $3 on the dollar section? No. So I'm very excited about this. I might put it in the background. I'm not sure. I have to mix it up a little bit. So yeah. And to go with this, I got something coming up for a special type of holiday. This is going to be in the background in my videos, and it's going to go along with that. Just keep your eyes peeled. Just saying. But I thought this was really, really pretty. Like maybe I can keep this up all year round because my room's kind of rustic and all that. And again, $3. Like it's so crazy that you can find this stuff in the dollar section. So yeah, very excited about this. You can hang it up or you can use it as this. I'm probably going to use it like this because I am just lazy and it'll probably knock off because my cat likes to knock off things from my wall. And the last thing that I'm very excited about, it goes along with the cactus thing back there after Valentine's Day and all that. So I found this little cactus canvas. It is actually canvas. If you listen to that, that's actually like real canvas, and I love the frame of it and all. I'm sorry that I keep looking at my viewfinder. It's just a viewfinder day. And again, $3. So this has a little thing here. This will probably be in the background of my videos after Valentine's Day. Be taking that stuff down, but maybe even before Valentine's Day. But I'm very excited. All like this stuff is just so cute from Target. So home decor stuff for Valentine's Day, regular stuff, scarf, and these two things all got in the dollar section, which is so insane that like you can get this cute stuff in the dollar section. My mom also got this in the dollar section, but it wasn't in this haul, but it was $3 and it's a little candle. So yeah, so that is my, and obviously the nails, but that is my mini Target. The lighting, holy moly. That is my mini Target dollar spot haul. I thought it was just so cute because just wanted to show you what's out there. So yeah. And they had other prints like this and they had other colors. My mom got a red one for the front haul. What else? There was little like stationery stuff at the dollar section, so I'm very excited to hang these up. They kind of go together. Kind of how I'm feeling about Valentine's Day right now. The cactus and the heart. Just saying. But keep your eyes peeled for something to do with this. But yeah, that was just this tiny little home decor, cheap Target dollar spot. Very excited. Oh, look how cute that is. And it goes with everything in my room. So this is a second part of the video. I just got back from Target yet again. The first section you just watched was the dollar spot section. I found some of the stuff that's in my background right now. And now I'm going to show you some red tag items that I want you guys to see. Maybe you can get them for yourself. Obviously, Target bag. So some of this stuff is kind of like a birthday present from my mom. My birthday is on February 4th. I'm going out that Friday, and then I'm also going out that Saturday. I will be filming a birthday get ready with me, like classy edition, like going out to the theater because I'm seeing Love Never Dies for my birthday. I'm turning 28. Now I don't look like it, but I'm turning 28. So yeah, let's just keep going. This, my mom found this, and this is the Blush and Bronze Perfusion palette. As you can tell, there's a red tag. And this originally was $10 and it was marked down to $4.98. And I haven't opened it yet. And there's blush colors, and then there's bronze, and then you get a little brush. So I'll be using this in my birthday get ready with me. Keep your eyes open for that and more videos. I haven't had like a blush palette and I'm really excited. So very excited, and I think all of their stuff is on sale right now, so go out to your local Target and try to find them. The next thing, these next things are actually for my going out for my birthday. First thing that I saw was this purse. Can't really tell the texture of it. It's kind of like faux fur, but not really. And it has a zipper on the front and a zipper here. It's very, very spacious, and it's a crossbody. So I'll be wearing this like when we go into the city for my birthday, like actually going out for drinks with my friends. And this is from the brand and New Day. I don't know. A New Day. I don't know. The original price was $25 and I got it for $12.50. And I'm actually really excited because this is like a very like, you can wear it either way. You can wear it this way and like put your phone in here, or you can wear it this way and keep your phone protected. So this is like, this part is like onto your body. So I'm very excited about this. So I might wear this for Love Never Dies. We'll see. But this is going to be like a staple for going out and just to random errands and stuff. So pretty excited about this little beauty. So, And it has leather up here, and I don't think you can tell. So, yeah. The next thing is for going out with my friends for my birthday, and it's this top. It looks like this. Can't really tell. Oh, the sleeve's inside out. It looks like this. It's kind of like the cold shoulder effect. I usually sweat so bad, like in bars and all that, so I'll probably wear this with like a leather jacket. So it has like a little V opening in the front, and then there's a tie back, and it's just navy, black, and like some pinkish flowers. And this is from the brand Knox Rose, which I really like because it's kind of like vintagey, boho-y. And I got this in an extra large because the larges like sink me in. I look disgusting and horrible. So this would just this was originally $24.99, and I got it for $12.48. So that is a bargain, and I was thinking this would go with this and like ripped jeans and like some booties for going out to the bars. Never know, might be able to find a man on my 20th birthday. When you go to Target, you have to get a Starbucks. The last thing that I got from Target is actually for the Love Never Dies night, or day, going on Saturday the 3rd. So I found this dress. You really won't be able to see it. So this is what it looks like. You'll see it better in the Get Ready With Me video. But it's kind of has like a Baroque pattern. If it's not Baroque, don't fix it. Where's that from? It has kind of like pink on the inside. It's very comfortable. I got it in extra large because back here it's like the see-through, not see-through, but there's buttons, but you can kind of see. But when I put the large on, it kind of like expanded, and I have a very large back, so yeah. But I'm very, very excited about this. But let me tell you the price. It was originally $30. Who really, a $30 dress at Target? And I got it for $15. So I'm wearing this for like my birthday like day / night out. I'm very excited. I will definitely be filming a birthday get ready with me. If you liked the stuff that I bought and you are a haul fanatic and a clothes fanatic, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, which is basically the same thing. Hit that subscribe button below the video and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. And keep your eyes open for a birthday get ready with me. I will actually look like a human being. My hair will be done. I wouldn't look like this. And I'm just so excited to wear this. So, see you next time. Bye.